O, ito na. Ito yung hinihintay nyo. Yung PBA podcast natin na 1 week delayed. But sakto, actually sinadya namin to para meron tayong 5 topics sa pag-uusapan all about the PBA. Nico here with Mario and Graham. Hello, hello. Alam ko na-miss nyo kami. Dami na namin na-receive na comments, DMs. Kailan yung next PBA podcast? Ito na yun. Sound the alarm. Pakishare, like, comment, subscribe. And don't forget to share this episode. Una natin gusto pag-usapan, boys. For me, is the from week 1 is the triple double of Juan GDL with Converge. And as you can see in this thumbnail, I put rookie superstar. Do you think he's already a superstar at this in this first year? So knowing that, oh, okay, he's capable of having a triple double in his debut. Do you think he just builds up on that one, or mache-check din siya eventually, and maybe those numbers will fall back to earth? Ano
Uh,
tingin nyo kay GDL? Juan.
Honestly, if you ask me, man, like it was bound to happen. He is one of the again, we mentioned it no una, diba? It was either gonna be him or Gio who would be first pick and Converge was supposed to be Phoenix, but Converge benefited a lot from having him and we mentioned na baka it'll be a hard time for him kasi there are so many people na kailangan bigyan ng bola sa Converge pero hindi masyado men. Arana still had what
20 and 15? Parang ganun.
20
Wait,
Yeah.
lang sa stats. They're like,
28, 20 something, dude. Like,
Wild Diarana.
yeah. So, is he a superstar? I always thought he was. I always think he's going to be a superstar. I'm a fan of Juan talaga. I believe he and Javi are already some of the best in their position at this moment. I'm not surprised at all that he did this triple double, man. He did it before sa ano, diba? PBAD League. Did he average a triple double in the PBAD League?
I don't, it's close. Alam ko close yun. Yun yung mga 8 rebounds, 9 assists kind of,
Yeah.
Marinero
Ganyan naman
Pilipino.
talaga.
Basta parang something na gano'n. It had a weird name eh.
Yeah, ganyan naman talaga laruan ni Juan, man. So, I am absolutely not surprised, and he'll continue to average. I won't say he's gonna average a triple double all the time, but he's gonna continue to be an absolute monster, though.
Yeah.
Graham.
No, this is why, people with functioning brain cells thought that one is the undisputed number one overall pick. Di ba? True, you can teach 6'10", you can teach 6'11", but you cannot teach the skills of Juan Gomez de Leon. So, yeah, he's a superstar before the draft. So he's a superstar now. He doesn't need to arrive. He has already arrived. Si Juan Gomez de Leon.
He's also been
Um,
everywhere. He's arrived in
mm,
Lithuania. He's arrived in in
di ba?
Korea.
He went everywhere.
Uh,
He's been
Yeah,
he's been around. He's been around, man. He's been around.
Oh, well tenured.
and what's scary about this, brothers, is he's only gonna get better. This is his first game, and he
Yeah,
already dropped a triple double. This is the first time ata, di ba, that someone dropped a triple double in
as
From
a
what I have
rookie,
been reading, from what I have
as a
been
debut.
reading.
as a
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
debut rookie. Yeah, I think
Mm-hmm.
that's what I read also.
That is right,
Yeah,
di ba?
same.
So last
But
time,
are either
yeah,
of you surprised? I don't think any of
No,
us
I
are.
mean, if there's gonna be a guy, it looks like it's one. We're not gonna say naman na, oh, surprise, bro.
Yeah,
Wow.
not
We
really.
already know what one can do. You up pa.
Yeah,
yeah,
exactly.
exactly, man. He
I mean,
one. I'll tell you this, man. Juan Gomez de Leon is who people claim Chris Miller is.
people, people,
Yeah, some people in the
people,
comments, man.
people. Excuse me, weren't you one of those people who were telling me and Nico that we were
No, I
wrong?
didn't claim him as,
Oh,
No, no, no,
James
no.
Harden
Graham didn't
no,
is.
say
no,
that naman,
no.
Mario. I think Graham said na Chris Miller will be a first round naman. Pero wala naman sa
Oo, di
tipong
ba?
levels ni Juan.
No, no, I'm not letting you get off the hook
Wala.
on this one, man.
No, no,
Graham
hindi ko
said,
pinil
Graham said he was like, I told you,
this
dude,
guy.
Chris Miller is gonna be him. Okay, let's look at Chris Miller's stats so
Let's
far.
go,
Oy,
man.
check the recent Chris Miller game. Sa 0-2 San Miguel. Wait, before we get there, come on, let's keep it to Converge first. We're gonna get to Chris Miller. Converge. Ang issue ko lang with Converge right now is not really an issue, no, but sino yung odd man out sa mga guards nila? Will we see, I mean, overreaction's been one game. Are we gonna see an Alex Stockton or Shawnee Winston trade? I think there was a rumor na may lumabas sa Facebook na they were almost traded, but it didn't
Yeah,
happen. But if there's gonna be a guard sa Converge na matitrade muna, will it be Shawnee Winston or a Alex Stockton? Or do you keep those three together?
I
You
think you
ride
just
it
keep all
out.
three together.
Yeah.
Hmm. Just you,
Ikaw,
dude.
Graham, are you in favor of trading one of them or keep all three
No.
together and see where it goes?
No, kasi sino naman kukunin mo, 'di ba? If
You
if
only
it has to,
trade for a wing. You only
yeah,
trade
Okay.
for a
Happy
wing.
Gomez Deliano kind of
Yeah,
wing.
exactly. That's the only type you trade for.
Yeah.
But there's no player like Javi um that Converge would really trade for if you ask me at the level of Stockton or Winston.
Mm-mm.
Plus,
No.
honestly naman, Shani can play the three naman eh.
Yeah, in the
Shani's
PBA, he can. He's 6'3",
yeah.
6'4".
Shani has the capability of playing the three, even if he's not the tallest person in the world. So it's fine. Uh, Dude, they all played really well naman, even if they were all together. Juan had 15, Shani had 16, Alex Stockton had 13. Never mind that it was against the Titan Ultra Giant Risers, who were
Oh, yung tit,
one and
no?
one, by the way. 1-1 better record than SMB. But
It
and
don't diss
Hinebra
our
and
potential
Hinebra.
sponsors, man.
And Hinebra. I'm just to be fair, and Hinebra.
And Hinebra.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I don't really feel like they need to trade anybody. If there were somebody to trade, probably JL De Los Santos, so he can go play somewhere else, or King Caralipio. But
Actually, they could be
yeah.
traded, yeah.
Pero dun sa mga big names, yung Winston, Deleano, and
Keep,
Stockton, just keep them.
Oh,
You
okay.
know who could be the odd man out here? It could be Ray Suerte.
Ray Swear, that's a good pull, yeah.
ah,
Ray Suerte could is the odd man out here.
Baka si Ray yung odd man out pa in this scenario.
he's
Kasi
a notch below them. Eh.
yeah, and I think you'd still rather keep the Shani over Ray or Alec over Ray. Because you're for
Oo
sure
naman.
building around ano. You have to build around, or not on build around, but you have to play with Juan Gomez.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're really built to compete to the end of this Philippine Cup. Like I can see them holding that trophy.
Semifinals or bust? Is semifinals a
Oo. Oo. They
semifinals or
haven't,
bust ang Converge,
they
diba?
haven't reached.
You're saying semifinals are bust for them? Oh man, that's
Or you
kind of
feel like finals or bust ang Converge?
no. I don't think it's either. I think it's just like
Ah,
playoffs are bust. I don't think
talaga?
What do
Okay,
you mean playoffs
okay.
or bust? They've been reaching the playoffs. Ano?
what twice in a row.
You still
And
feel hindi pa rin nila kaya mag-semis?
Dude,
Especially,
it's just a really stacked league right now.
okay, yeah, it is. Kasi konti ng teams eh.
Konti lang ng teams natin eh. It's a stacked league.
11
Uh,
lang.
You're saying that right now that if they don't make it to the top four, they should blow it up? I don't think so.
not blow it up.
Yeah, like it doesn't really matter. Like honestly, kasi so many teams can really it's like the UAAP right now. Although
Mm.
the parity is not as good. Pero like SMB will always be a threat. Hinebra will hope somehow be a threat pa rin. Magnolia has shown the possibility of being a threat. TNT looked good in their first game. Meralco, although kind of fluttering right now, is gonna figure it out. Ross is always gonna be a possible team. Like there are just so many teams na to be in the top four is a major thing sa PBAs. I don't think it's a semifinals or bust type of situation naman.
Oh. Okay, sakto. You mentioned the Rain or Shine Elasto Painters. We want to give a shout out to Gabe Norwood, a friend of mine, and
Oh,
so
yeah.
will soon be the friend of these two when I will make a pod happen na tayong apat with Gabe soon. He gave his announcement that's gonna be his final conference, final year, 50th ng PBA, the Rain or Shine. Realistically, guys, let's be honest, no? Where do you think Rain or Shine will be this conference? Can they compete for the championship? Is it realistic or hindi pa rin? It's still not the or wala pa masyadong sample size to say na
Okay, one game, man.
it's been one game. But let's do some overreactions. What do you think, Mario? Is this the conference na we're gonna see some Ross magic o bayan ng Ross ano, like a
No.
year? Hindi.
No.
It's still the same
Dude,
problems para sa'yo.
I I just don't think I know SMB is 2-0 right now, but I don't
0 and
think Ross
2?
can. Oh, and yeah, 0-2. Yeah, sorry, my bad.
Yeah.
But I just don't think Ross can get past TNT, SMB. Honestly, I might say they could get past Hinebra, but I don't think they get past SMB or TNT. They might. They don't get past Converge either if they make it in the
Oh,
if they go against each other. I
okay.
I just don't think that they're at that level yet, talaga.
Graham, what do you think about
Yeah,
Ross?
chips have to ano, chips have
Chips
to
have
fall
to
in their
fall. Chips
favor.
have to
Parang
fall.
yeah, alam mo yung nangyari sa what do you call this? Yung Portland, yung nakaabot sila ng Western Conference Finals.
La
It
Marcus
has to be
Aldridge, ano
that
ba to?
kind of
B-Roy?
no, 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 no. Ito
Sino
yung si
to?
Dame and si CJ. Parang
Oh, okay, okay.
everything fell in
That
their
kind.
favor para umabot sila sa ano sa because they yeah, if they see TNT man, just don't play because they're gonna get sent home if they see TNT in any series.
Just don't
I don't
play.
think di ba? I don't think they're beating SMB. I don't think they're better than Ginebra or Converge. So you know, as much as we want to send off Gabe with a championship, that's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen because they're not yet good enough. I know they're the popular choice na parang gusto ng mga tao independent team naman yung mag-champion,
Yeah,
but
of course.
you
Yeah,
know,
yeah, gets naman.
you better root for Converge if you want that kind of ending
Yeah.
because no way rain or shine wins the title this conference. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate, but you know it's facts.
Will you
I
It
really
mean,
though?
really is.
feeling ko hindi naman masyado grim. I mean,
Will you,
it's very objective.
will
It's a
you
very objective
actually
take.
get hate for that take? I don't think you
Parang
can get
never we
hate
No,
never
for that
hindi
got.
take,
kasi
man.
no what I'm saying is people want Ross to win, di ba?
Oh, okay.
Kasi they're independent. Nasasabihin ng mga tao, never fan ka kasi kaya ayaw mo manalo independent team. Kind of true, but you know, if Ginebra doesn't win, then I don't
Inamin
mind
naman
Ross. I
hate.
just don't see it. I just don't see it.
Hindi, dapat mo inamin, men. Ikaw,
It's
ikaw
not the
naman eh.
script. Hindi
That
yan yung
Bro,
wasn't part of
script.
the script, Gref.
again, what have I added in
Inamin pa
this
nito eh. Sabi, I thought he was doing so well eh.
podcast?
Oh,
Di
oh.
ba? Inconsistency.
Must be going under a tunnel or something, my friend Mario, no? Ayun,
Oh,
okay na si
it's
Greg.
Zoom saving his ass. It's Zoom saving. It's like
Eh,
nah.
no, no, inamin ko. Bro, alam mo, inamin ko because I've added consistency and objectivity in this pod.
Bro, I'm
Mm.
gonna kick you out
As you
of this
should.
Zoom
As you
I've
should.
been
meeting one more
consistent.
time you say that. I swear to God.
False prophecy right
Oh
here.
my God. But yeah, I
But no.
I'm not hating on
I
it.
think
Go ahead.
Loki they can sneak in. They can sneak into the final four. Sorry if I'm cutting you if I don't know if my signal is good. But
Hindi,
I
go lang.
think they can Loki go to the final four if things fall in their favor. But that should be the end of it.
Your signal's fine, man. We just saw you do the sign of the cross, which is really random.
Yeah,
But
yeah, kakadaan ko lang kasi sa
you
church.
passed it. Okay.
Ah, this guy's holy.
This guy's holy. Yeah, his
Yeah,
takes are
hey,
holy.
man.
His takes are holy too.
These guys. So
But
like
Kasi
really.
hindi na PG-13.
what I'm gonna
Go.
say is like I hope that Ross goes far. Siyempre, if just for Gabe, man, it would be really nice for Gabe. And I think Bo might also be on his way out sooner rather than later na rin.
Yeah. It's
So
old na eh.
maybe like one more run, hopefully at the championship would be nice for Ross. But I just don't see it happening sa ano Ben. Ang bigat kasi talaga ng ibang teams, bro. Ang
Mabigat.
bigat
Ang
kasi
ganda ng
talaga ng ibang
season.
teams.
Maganda yung season talaga.
Yeah, and wait lang. Let me just double check something.
Alam mo what I don't understand as Mario's checking something is um if Gabe's gonna retire, bakit hindi na lang sa
Mm.
end of season? Paano kung makakuha sila ng super import and then they win the Commissioner's Cup or the
Hey man,
Governor's
you'll
Cup?
never know with Gabe. He's also part of the coaching staff na rin. So he could just say na,
Ah,
I'm gonna ride it out. Ride out the 50th season. And then as soon as it's done, tapos na. You'll
Did
never know.
Stanley not play in their last game?
Let me check. Oh,
by
he
the way,
was not here. Walang Pringle. Walang
crazy win
Pringle.
versus Meralco.
That's a crazy win. They came back down, bro. There's a
Man, Meralco's not looking great right now, but uh it's gonna be fine, I think, for Meralco naman. For Ross talaga, man. It's the same thing as always, diba? It's always the same thing. Everybody can contribute, but who's gonna be that main guy at the end? We haven't seen Stanley play yet, so hopefully it might be him. Pero again, it's always gonna be random for Ross. Although I don't really like this shooting split from Adrian Nocum, 5 for 17. That's not great. That's not great, man. But then like
Getting the
it's
license.
he has the license though, you're not wrong. And glad to see Felix back on the court, by the way.
Okay, so that's a perfect segue by the way. You mentioned Meralco. And also, we're gonna pull back the SMB record 0-2. Where Meralco and SMB are both 0-2. They were the finalists in the previous Philippine Cup from what
No,
I
the other. The
remember.
other.
Oh, the other, yeah. But still 0-2 yung Meralco and SMB. Is it time to panic for those two? Is it, or rather, is it a sign of a roster imbalance, a roster hindi fit? It could apply for both Meralco and SMB. Let's first start with Meralco, then SMB. Meralco, what do you think, Mario Owen to start? Sound the panic button, or simula lang naman, papainit lang yan? Or it's a sign of things to come na hindi uubra tong lineup na to sa All Filipino Cup.
Well, they only lost against Titan Ultra because Calvin Abueva turned back the clock to 30 years ago or something, man. You just let Calvin Abueva go off for 41. You don't deserve to win a game. But sounding the sounding a panic button this early in the season, I don't think is really
Mm.
necessary. Um, Meralco, I think, is still trying to figure some things out. Although medyo nakita na natin, diba, na CJ Cancino, I think, is becoming number one or
Yes.
number two option, no? Yeah, so that's nice, especially for the UP fans out there. I'm sure they're happy to see CJ getting that type of minutes or that type of contribution level. I don't think
Yes.
it's time to sound the alarm for Meralco at all, or for SMB. You're 0-2. You know who else was 0-2? The UP Fighting Maroons. You know what the record of the UP
Actually,
Fighting Maroons now is?
yeah.
They're now 4-2. Like this happens. Um, I would be more worried kung ako yung SMB kasi the two teams that beat me are not teams that should be beating me. Yung sa
Okay.
Meralco naman, the one against Ross was a winnable game. The one against Titan Ultra was just Calvin Abueva going crazy. So I don't think it's time for to press any panic button for either team.
Alam mo, I'm thinking, gaano kalaking factor yung EASL to this 0-2 start by Meral?
With the preparations na they're gonna
Yeah,
integrate JB and RHJ, feel ko hindi pa naman ngayon. Hindi, I don't think it's a much of a factor right now. With this is an all
is
Filipino
it
Cup, I don't think it's
no,
a
but
big
is it something
factor.
that's taking away from their attention to the Philippine Cup na parang they're also preparing for EASL. I know it's different, it's a different league. But you know, I was just thinking na maybe it's playing a factor kung bakit sila 0-2 right now. Um, that's the only thing I can think of because losing to Titan is not a good thing. And I know Titan maybe are potential sponsors down the road, especially with me and Mario around.
Oo,
But
syempre.
they're
Syempre.
they're not a good team, man. They're not a good team. So to drop the ball like that against Titan and then lose in a choking fashion to Ross when you are hailed as a championship team or as a team that was the champions 2 seasons ago. And that's concerning. I'll sound the alarm bells on Meralco right now. SMB, no, I'm not worried about SMB. I don't care if they come in as an 8 seed in the Philippine Cup.
Yan,
They
nakakatakot eh, no? 8 seed
nobody
sila.
nobody wants to see them at all. So no, I ain't concerned about SMB at all.
Ang worry ko lang sa SMB, I don't really know what's fully wrong with them right now, if I'm being honest.
Yeah.
Well, I could say something that's wrong with them, pero baka magka-hater ako. Pero, so I'm not gonna. But,
Yeah, yeah. Keep it nice. Be
yeah,
nice.
yeah, I'm gonna be nice since the season just started. But maybe I think you gotta start CJ now. I think you
Mm.
you gotta stop bringing him off the bench. It doesn't really. He is putting up numbers, naman. I'm not saying he's not putting up numbers, but then it's not really it's not really the
Jericho's
best
starting
of
eh, no?
numbers.
Jericho's starting over him.
Yeah, somebody else starting over him too.
Oh,
Baka may bet sila, Mario, na whoever won the finals MVP last Philippine Cup will get the
come off the
starting role.
bench. Ah,
Oo, di ba? Eh si Jericho yung
nga pala, si
nanalo.
Jericho nga pala yun. Sa kontrata niya. O sige, 2 games muna. Tapos tama na yan.
Oh, dude, I don't think anybody's worried sa SMB, man.
Yeah, I'm
And
not
we
worried.
all know, naman that they're gonna get to wherever they're gonna get to. It's like the Las Vegas Aces yung sa
Did
WNBA.
they start 0-2 ba, Mario?
They started pretty bad, dude. I think they
Ah,
were,
this season.
yeah, they started pretty bad. Actually, they were pretty bad like midway through the season, but they went on a 18-0 winning streak, 18 game winning
Wow.
streak to end the season, if I remember correctly, something like
I
that.
love about Mario, he follows women's ball actually.
I
Like
love
legit
women's
follows
So there's a reason for
W
that.
and
There's a
ay
reason
hindi
for that.
talaga he just loves
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
I
know,
WNBA
I know.
genuinely
din.
love women's basketball.
I know.
I really love women's
Magandang
basketball.
short form he should do more short form content on that one. Hindi ko lang bakit
But
tumigil.
I'm
Oh,
busy, man. I'm busy as fuck, man. Leave me alone.
Oh,
Anyway,
anyway.
bro, but CJ with the Terrafirma haircut, by the way.
Yeah, I
Um,
like it. I like it.
put him back in the starting lineup, dude. There's no reason at all for him not to be a starter. Kasi I honestly think SMB's kind of starting slow-ish right now. Against NLEX without Bolik, you only win the first quarter by three? I don't think so, man. Although I think in hindsight naman, he still plays a lot of minutes. Although against NLEX, he didn't play a lot of minutes, di ba? Nico.
Yeah, I'm checking the stats, sorry. Yeah, parang ano lang eh. Uh, tagal mag-load. Fajardo. Perez, 4 minutes. What happened
Yeah,
to CJ Perez?
I don't know. I'm not
I
really.
missed that one. Yeah, yeah. But
Yeah,
yeah, that
pero
also could play the factor, but SMB has no business losing to NLEX without Robert Bolick.
Alex has no business losing to to
So
SMB
Terra
with
Firma.
Republic, dude. Like
Oh yeah, well.
doesn't they shouldn't have lost either way. Pero nobody's scared for SMB, man.
No?
Maybe if they go 0-6, which they won't, that's when I'll be scared. Pero 0-2, wala lang yun, man.
Yeah. Bumabalik nga yun sa 0-3. Di ba in the
Mm.
series?
Yeah.
Then you're scared of them starting 0. You know what I'm saying? Not scared. I'll be glad if we don't see them in the playoffs, Mario. Di ba? Hey, I'll take that seven
Hey,
days
we
leave.
gotta make it. We gotta make it there first.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
We
You're
gotta
right.
make it there first, man.
Good point, brother.
Before we move on to the next topic, guys, we know ball. When we say that Chris Miller isn't gonna, light up the world on fire, you know what we're talking about. You know
I
what we're
mean,
talking
like,
about. Babalik ako lahat ng comments. Hindi ko na babalikan lahat. Dito ko na lang a-address. Pero we saw those comments. Lalo na kami ni Mario. We read those comments. Sabi ko, oh, wait till the start of the season. Wait. Tahimik lang kami ni Mario. Di namin ni-replyan. Ito na yun.
I'm not hating on Chris Miller, man. Like, if he
Oh,
ends
we're
up
hating on the
becoming
guys
good,
who hated on us, not Chris Miller.
yeah. Like, if he ends up becoming good, he ends up becoming good. Pero again, may overload sa guards kasi ang SMB, man.
Mm.
Sobrang overload. You have CJ, you have Chris, you have Marshall, you have another Chris, you have the third Chris, per letter K naman yung Chris na yun. And then
Middleton.
Yeah.
like you have so many guards and you have Troliano who really plays the 2 or 3 and then Jericho who plays the 2 or 3 and let's not
Yeah.
forget they still have Wami Chongson, man. Like they have
Do you
so many
forget?
guards. Huh?
Do you forget?
I will never forget that Wami Chongson's an SMB, man. But dude, they will not. They have too many guards right now. Chris Miller could be good if they gave him the time to be good, maybe. But
But not with SMB. It's the worst team to be in. If you're a
that's
two
why
guard.
too many
To
guards.
develop?
The only player who can end up with a lot of minutes in SMB is a forward to the level of Javi Gomez de Leano.
Oh yeah.
I said this so many times before. Javi Gomez de Leano fits every roster right now. But it just doesn't really fit. They have too many guards if you ask me talaga.
Yeah. All right, let's now move on to the next topic here, guys. And that is Mava and Missy actually requested a trade via his vlog. Texted Boss Alan and it's at least it's very give him a trade request ba? It's very clean, it's very upfront, which we rarely get to see on how things go. He just really texts. Ganun na pala yun, no? Baka post reality, you just text a boss, I want to trade. And what do you think is the best landing spot for Mava and Missy?
I'm not gonna comment on this. Go ahead, Graham. Have fun.
Grim.
Um, and honestly, I don't know.
Hindi ko, I don't know.
Don't send him back to Converge. I don't think
You
you send
feel
him
so,
back.
you feel, ano, hindi na talaga. Kasi dami rin guards eh. Hindi rin siya
Dami
masyadong
ng
makaka.
guards yun.
And I would
Like,
rather have Alex Stockton mo Shawnee over Mav. Kung titrade mo yung isa sa dalawang yun. For Mav, I'd rather have those two than Mav.
I
Madami
don't
din.
know.
Yeah.
No, me. Uh, I,
No.
I don't think you'd give up Shani or Alec for Mava Hamnisi. Where you could send Mav is I don't know, man. Titan. Uh, you could send
Hey,
him
I'd,
to
I'd take I'd take that for Abueva. I have been
Yeah, dude, they
For
just told
Abueva
us that
pwede.
Abueva is not going to Ginebra. They aren't gonna go back on that.
ayun nga eh. But
Eh,
you know,
But
Or
it
Chris Kuhn?
my dreams, dude, my dreams.
Or Chris Kuhn?
In my dreams, man.
To
I just don't think
Ginebra?
I just don't think he Titan Ultra pwede. Um
I think Phoenix. Oh, Phoenix has many guards na rin eh. With Evan, Tyler,
Evan Tyler, bro. There's some really good
Rivero.
people there,
Yeah,
yeah.
medyo madami yan. Yeah.
Again, rain or shine.
Dami na rin
Send him back.
guards.
Send him
no,
back to Coach
The,
Yang.
the place where it all started.
Yeah, send it back to Coach Yang. If he's on his last legs, why not send it back to Coach Yang? I think Hinebra would benefit from um
Who would you
who would they
trade? Who
benefit
would
from?
you trade if
Kalen.
you're...
But I
Oh,
don't think they gave up
they're not gonna
Kalen.
give Kalen for
They're not gonna give up
Mav.
Kalen. They could benefit from Tyler T. I from Anton Asistio. But again,
How about
it's
Malonzo? How about Mike Malonzo?
from
Mike,
Mav.
oh,
Just
Mike
Mike Malonzo
Malonzo.
from Mav. No, dude, no
And
way.
someone else. Assistio Malonzo. Sorry, Assistio Malonzo.
Does Malonzo still get minutes for Ross, man?
Oh naman! He did! He had
alam
20
mo,
He
minutes!
got 20. We
He
already
has
naalala,
have. He
20!
never doesn't need an energy guy, man. We have Sonny Estil. He never does not need an energy player. They have Sonny
Okay,
Estil
fine. Sonia
already.
still played well in his first game. Yeah.
Yeah, right. That's what everybody was telling me.
bro, alam
Like,
mo yung
Do you
kasabihan
agree?
blood for what's that? Blood for blood, something
Blood
like
for
that.
blood? Blood for blood, yeah. I think it's like a Game
How
of
about
Thrones saying ba yan?
Malonzo for Malonzo? Like we lost Malonzo, we're gonna gain another Malonzo.
first of all, I don't think Armalonzo's coming back. I don't think
Yeah.
it,
That's what
I
I'm
don't,
saying.
I don't think
he's not
Armalonzo's coming
coming back.
back,
Pero
brother.
nasa Gilas pool siya.
Yeah, kilos, nasa kilos pool lang yan, man.
Pero
Or why not
formality lang
like
ata yun.
you could go Ahamnisi for I don't know, man. Ahamnisi for Clarito, but I doubt Eros would do it. Uh and plus they already have a Stanley Pringle. I don't really know where
Missy
Mav.
for Nieto and Valdez. Or Herndon. Nieto, Herndon.
Oh man, you're putting him on NLEX. Oh man, you're putting him on NLEX. All right. Uh
Hey,
Maybe
but
First of
come
all,
on, you
Mav
Nico.
guys need a
for
Robbie Herndon. You need a Robbie Herndon in Ginebra.
Hey Nico, don't think about us. Think about you. Do you want to see Mava and Missy every single day?
Hey man, I'm not required to show up every day. I think I'm good.
this
See?
guy, this guy, this guy, man. This guy. That's just so inappropriate. That's so inappropriate, man. NLEX is a good spot. Why not Mav for Robert Bolick?
Why not Robert Bolick and Brandon Ramirez to make it fair?
No, I think it could just be genuinely like Mav for
Robbie Nieto, Robbie
bro.
Valdez.
There, bro. Robbie won't get minutes under Coach Tim.
Really?
Yeah,
Even a shooter? Na
That's already
ganun?
Jeremiah. That's already what Jeremiah Gray is meant to be for
Real?
Ginebra. And what do you mean shooter? You guys don't even play him more than 10 minutes. You think he's gonna? He barely plays 10 minutes in NLEX. You think he's gonna play more than 10 in Ginebra?
Oh,
Like,
kailangan yung shooter.
He's getting the Kyle Gambert treatment. See, ano?
hey, if
Hey
you
man,
know,
we're not gonna
man.
go there.
If
And
you
I'm just
know,
saying,
you know.
Ay, hindi, okay lang. Joke lang, Graham. You know, we love you, yeah.
Yeah,
Now,
but
we love our guy, Kyle. Kaya ganyan
yeah,
lang.
but
mga
honestly, yeah, it's like I don't really know where he could go. I really don't know where he could go, man. Magnolia, actually, Magnolia wouldn't be the worst place for him to land. Uh, because who are the other guards on Magnolia aside from Jerome? And sorry, I forgot who the other guard was.
Alfaro.
Alfaro. Yeah, he could land in Magnolia
Oh, they
for.
have a lot of guards with me. Poli, Baroka.
Oh nga pala, I forgot about the two. My bad. Yeah, but yeah, I don't really know where he could go aside from these teams right now. If I'm
Bro, the
being
problem with Mav is he doesn't have a market. Di ba? Parang there's not a team
I'm sure there's
right
a
now.
team that will get Mav. May asim pa si Mav. Kaya pa
Yeah,
yan.
may asim pa talaga si Mav. May asim pa si Mav. I mean, in a conference, he's a better asset than LA Tenorio in 90% of the games. Are the games that don't matter. I'm just saying that ang hirap niya hanapan ng market because there aren't a lot of teams looking for a guard right now.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's just such
Tama.
a guard heavy league right
Di ba?
now.
Philippines eh.
Like
Late na naman tayo.
Pwedeng Meralco, I guess. Send him for,
Oh yeah, Meralco pwede.
you could send him for Almazar.
What do you mean, bro? That only
They need
benefits us.
Almazan.
That only benefits us. It
How
doesn't
about
benefit
Alain
them.
Maliksi? You guys think you need an Alain Maliksi?
I don't think Meralco would give up Malin Maliksi for Mava Hamnisi.
But Alain Maliksi is injury prone. Mas maasahan mo pa si Mav, di ba? To be on the floor than Alain Maliksi.
I, I know he's injury prone, but I just don't think you trade
You
Mava.
you rather have
I don't think
yeah,
that.
it's okay. I know what you guys have
I'm
been through.
not sure where he goes, man, if I'm being
Mahirap
honest
nga.
with you. TNT is not gonna take him. I don't think they need him in the slightest. I think the best chance he has is Titan for maybe Cade Flores.
Titan.
Maybe Cade Flores for Mava Hanmisi. But I don't think that's really fair for Titan, but since when was anything fair for Titan? Uh
Okay.
yeah.
All right, let's end this with this one. Let's do a collective
Ay!
power rank. Yes.
Terra for Louis Sanggalang. I would love it.
Yeah.
Pwede. Magkasama na
I
sila ni
would love
Jeric.
it. I
The,
would
the
love
Terra
it,
Firma
man.
Bros.
Yeah, Terra Firma bros, bro. You can get Jerick and Mav at the same time, especially because Mav doesn't really think he can go much longer. Luis Angalang, I think, kasi Terra Firma has Gio Chu naman on the way to fill in that big spot. JM Bravo's been playing well. Hey, I don't really hate him going to Terra Firma, if I'm being honest. I think that kind of fits pretty decently. Not best, but it fits pretty decently naman.
Okay, now guys, we're now going to decide overreactions to week 1 based on what you have seen. So again, overreactions to dahil lang sa week 1 kasi masaya tayo, it's the PBA, it's finally back. Boys, can we agree na number 1 yung TNT at the end of this long 14-month Philippine Cup?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
Sorry, that's not a long Philippine Cup na 14 months. I
Long
mean,
season.
long season. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So let's do this
I was gonna
Philippine
say
Cup
that's kind
lang.
of long.
So
Mm.
Philippine Cup number 1 TNT.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Number
bro,
2.
they destroyed Phoenix without heading BGR and one more guy. Heading BGR and what was the
Eram.
first? Who?
Aram.
Era.
Eram.
Era.
Yeah.
And Jason. Yeah, yeah.
But Jason's
They,
gonna be out the whole year,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Number 2. Who's gonna be our number 2? Will it be Converge or Magnolia?
Based on who they beat, I have Magnolia.
You at the end of the season. Okay. At the end of the All Filipino Cup,
I'll respect it.
Magnolia.
I'll give it to
Oh,
Grim. I'll give it to Grim.
Respect,
end of all
respect.
Filipino? At end of all
No,
Filipino?
no, end of the regular season. End of the regular season of the
Oh,
All
yeah.
Filipino.
Regular season. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Regular
Because if
season.
you left
Regular
it to
season,
end of the
Grim.
Philippine Conference, Graham
Bro,
does not.
alam mo yung nakakatawa dito? This is exactly what we're doing again, man.
Hindi, 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 hindi. Hindi,
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 hindi.
hindi.
Iba to,
It
iba to.
only got there when we talked about Terra Firma. That's like,
Yeah.
hey, that man, that stuff was deleted. So number 2, Magnolia.
Yo, by the way, y'all don't understand. We just got into like a big ass argument like 20 seconds ago. Before we went back, before we went back.
Alam mo kung may
About
Patreon lang
that.
kami, guys, we would have released that part. Just pay 100 pesos per month will be good. But anyway, we'll think about Patreon in the future. So number 2, Magnolia.
Yeah, I'll
Yeah.
give it to Magnolia naman.
Are we gonna have Converge at number 3 at the end of the regular season of the All Filipino Cup?
Yeah, I
Oh,
think between Magnolia and Converge yung 2, 3.
Interchangeable ang 2-3.
Yeah.
Okay,
that is.
now's the hard, not hard, not siya hard part. Number 4 is SMB.
Mm-hmm.
We are going to settle with SMB at the 4 or the 5th spot? As after this 0-2 start. What do you think? Come on, Grim.
You know, you drop two easy games, quote unquote easy games,
Oo.
NLEX and Phoenix. I won't I won't feel comfortable having them at 4 right now.
I
Who do you
would
have it?
say I would agree with Graham if I'm being honest with you.
Who do you have it for? Ginebra.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Why
Yeah.
not?
Ako, Ross. O sige, pero dahil majority overruled ako. So 4, Ginebra. Let's do with 4, Ginebra. Okay. Number 5. Can we finally say SMBS at 5?
Oh, this is a good cookie. Yeah.
Ginebra at, sorry, SMB at 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So hard to do, man. It's 1 week.
Yeah nga,
Alam mo,
it's overreactions. It's gonna be fun to come back to this when we get to the end.
I want to say Ross, but it sounds stupid to say na SMB will be number 6.
That's
If you
why.
have, ano,
Mm.
di ba?
That's why.
Well, it actually also sounds stupid to put an O in one team at the top four, but you
Bro.
know,
Yeah. Yeah.
we are.
I genuinely don't know, man. Um, let's just say 4, 5, and 6 is Ross, Hinebra, and SMB. Kayo na bahala maggawa ng order nyo.
Ginebra 6.
Hindi, it depends, man. It really depends kasi it's kind of hard sa first week. Basta 4, 5, and 6, it's probably, I think it's like SMB, Hinebra, or Ross.
Okay,
That's
7. 7.
Seven should be ano, should be.
Meralco. Meralco's gonna squeak in.
hmm. Hmm. If we say Meralco for 7 kasi my 8, I'm sure is gonna be different than yours, Nico.
Yeah,
So,
duh. We have Nlex at 8.
7 I can give Meralco.
Mm,
Even they're 0-2 though. It's so hard to say that, but
it's
they're
okay. But I have him at 7. I think overrule natin si Greer Majority if he says something otherwise. Do you agree na Meralco's at 7?
No, Meralco 7.
Okay. 8, Nlex. Kayo, sino kayo?
Phoenix.
Phoenix. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Grim, who's gonna get the last spot?
Um, I think NLEX
Oh,
is
come
better.
I'll
on.
send in the Gcash later.
Oh, come
Am I
on.
wrong about that?
I'll send your pangjangnan.
Oh, my God,
Hey,
man.
no. What do you mean? NLEX is a good team.
Thank you. Yes, we are a good team. We can make it to the quarters.
I like Phoenix more.
I understand Mario though. I completely understand Mario.
Yeah. Not
Magigets
NX.
ko, magigets ko na if Phoenix make it at 8, I'm like, okay, gets naman.
Yeah. But yeah, that's kind of hard though. In the first week, teams are losing to teams they shouldn't lose to, and teams are winning against teams they shouldn't be winning against. That's what kind of hard about first weeks, man.
Okay.
Yeah,
Guys, thank you so
it's week
much.
one.
Go Graham.
No, I'm just saying it's week one. So, you know, 3 4 weeks after this, we may sound stupid at all, di ba? But
It's okay, man. It's the point
that's
of
why it's called
podcast.
overreaction. It's called overreaction.
Okay, so I have a question, Graham. Which do you think happens first? Mava Hamnisi gets traded or Japet Aguilar drops 25?
He can get 25 though. He can have those random games eh.
But I'm
Japit
asking
can,
Graham, which happens first?
Ikaw, Graham.
I'd say ano, I'd say Japit gets 25 first.
Before Mav gets traded? Really? Okay.
Yeah, and I mean both of them will be good for me mentally speaking. Um, but
Win-win. It's a win-win.
yeah, Japit getting 25 sounds more actually, yeah, that sounds more realist. Oh, wait, 25 in a game or in 2 games?
In a game,
In a
in a game.
game. In a game. Kaya ni Japet
In a
yun, Graham. Huwag ka nga
game.
ganyan. Kaya ni Japet yun.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know.
Yun na
I
yung
think
sabi niya.
I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
Japit wins
Sige.
first. By the way, one last thing before we go, man. What do you do pag naka-high beam yung katapat niyo, yung kasalubong niyo? Do you also high beam or just let it go?
Wag na, bro. Just let it go.
You let it go.
Kaka-headache ka lang.
All right, I don't.
I fight that.
NCAP Graham. Hashtag NCAP Graham. By the way, so those on Spotify, follow 5-star rating on YouTube, like, comment, subscribe. Nico Mario and Graham here, and don't forget to use the hashtag NCAP
Hashtag,
Graham.
hashtag Baldwin.
Hashtag Baldwin.
Hashtag Baldwin.
Crazy, man. You're a
All
hater.
right. Thank you, boys. See you.
Adios, amigos.